and test our valve lash. So we'll go ahead and remove our valve covers here. One on this side, one on the front. We'll take these covers back off. If you already put them back on, get it at top dead center so we can check our valve clearance. Now the intake side should be 0.08 millimeters to 0.12 millimeters. This side feels pretty good, so we don't have to do anything with this side. Now over here on the exhaust side, it should be 0.10 to 0.14 millimeters. So let's try this out. And that is also perfect. But if you would like to know how to adjust your valves, you actually just loosen this nut right here. And once you loosen this nut, you can spin this little square right here. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Right will bring it down, left will bring it up. And that'll help you get your valve lash. Once you just keep your gauge in there, tighten that down till it barely slides in and out. Then come back and tighten this nut down. And that's how you set your valve lash.